Hello guys, welcome to my channel Crypto Bus. Today we're gonna speak about Quopi and the news about this project. For the first, I wanna speak about the Quopi Shop, the new feature that they're just released. As you can see here, it says we are thrilled to announce that the Quopi AI merch store is now open for business. Visit Quopi Shop to explore a wide range of awesome products, including t-shirt, caps, a computer, all designed with our Quopi community in mind. So let's see this shop and check it all out. So this here you can see some products that you can buy and inject some money to the project for being still alive, and just give all you have earned from your profit back to this project. As you can see, here is a Quopi unisex unisex heavy blend hoodie, Quopi two-side embroidered cap. I want this cap. I think I'm gonna buy this cap. This is nice, yeah. Quopi unisex soft style t-shirt and blah blah blah. You can check all this and just give away your money and give it back to the project if you wish. Worldwide shipping. Order our merch from anywhere in the world within 5 to 10 business days. Quopi Shop is shipping to 188 countries total worldwide. And the catchphrase contest, some joking works that they're doing here, that they say they're still alive and they're gonna still work here. By the way, this is all about a new shop from Quopi. I don't know if anybody gonna buy something from them, but this is some thing new from the project. And the another thing is Quopi token, a new shitcoin that you can buy from this project, and you can give back your money to the project, give back the profit you earned from the project to them. Yeah. And it says we are thrilled to announce that the Quopi pre-sale token QC is now live on the platform starting this Friday, December 1st. You will have the opportunity to purchase and use QC as an on-platform currency. Until then, our ambassador, I don't know what this word means, will have the chance to test out their first investment with QC on platform. Pre-sale value 1 QC 50 cents. Sure. So I'm as I told in channel, I'm gonna buy so much from this token. I'm gonna sell my bitcoins in exchange and buy just QC token. You know that Bitcoin may disappear one day, but QC token is for what they say, is forever. Yes. It's forever token that you can have it every time, each time you need it. Kidding, just kidding. Guys, I don't know, but from my experience in last projects, when a project make their token, this project, that project gonna finish its journey. But for now, that this news coming up, and you can users can buy QC token and or shop, I think at least in 1 month till 4th of January, that CryptoBot release for all the users. We can still make money from this project and gamble on our money. I don't encourage you guys to invest in this project, but when we put these parts beside each other, we I personally, my result is that they gonna still work and pay till the first week of January, and I'm gonna gamble on it. I don't know you guys, I told you also in a channel that just withdraw and cash out your money, but I personally gonna still make this project till the first week of January, and I activated another plan in my account, and just, you know, it's risk. It's we cannot till 100% is gonna work till January, but I'm optimistic about this and I gambling in it. So if you wanna do this again, so you're Dejan like me, let's do this and see what will happen next. Also, if you're new here and just come into my channel and know nothing about Quopi, I have to say about you that this project working from since February 2023, and is working like the first day, and just making money. And you can see the details here. Also, my channel link is in description. Be sure to subscribe in my channel. I put new updates and payments here in my channel. And also here is a video that one of my friends sent me. It's a London blockchain store, as you can see here.
I'm live here at London Blockchain Expo, and I just visited the stand of QB and Coin Store, and you guys are telling me this is not real. You know, this making sense. I'm here live at London Blockchain Expo, dude. The fact that we're trying to get some information doesn't mean some of us will tell you what is not true, okay? We are here live, okay? Let me show you again. See that? That's Coin Store and that's QB. So dudes, even though I'm just seeing it, people are asking questions, they're telling me it's not real.
They're doing their work. They're doing what they have to do. They're doing good. So do not miss this news here in my channel. Yeah, link in description. Thanks for watching the video, guys. And I also put my referral link here in description of the video, and do not forget to like and subscribe to my channel. I would appreciate that, your support, guys. And justice, see you.